A store owner buys a case of 40 cans of tuna for $10. Find the cost of 1 can of tuna. So if he buys a case of 40 cans and the case costs $10, in order for us to find the cost of 1 can of tuna, we have to divide. So we say 10 divided by 40, and that gives us 0.25, so 25 cents. And so that means that the cost of 1 can of tuna is going to be 25 cents. Next, the question states that 5 cans are damaged and cannot be sold. He sells the remainder of the cans for 45 cents per can. Calculate the total made from the sale of the remaining cans. And so what do we have? So we had 40 cans, right? He had 40 cans of tuna, but 5 of them are damaged and they cannot be sold. So that means he cannot sell them. So he has 40 minus 5. So we subtract, and so we say 40 minus 5, which gives us 35. That means that there are 35 that he can sell. Now, how much does he sell them for? Well, it says he sells the remainder of the cans for 45 cents per can. So that means that we're going to take the 35 cans and multiply them by 45 cents. And so the total meal, and so that means that the total made from the sale of the remaining cans is going to be 45 cents multiplied by 35. I'm going to use 45 cents because it's 45 cents per can, and we use 35 because that's the remaining cans that are left that can be sold. When we multiply them, we get $15.75. That's the total meal. That's the total made from the sale of the remaining cans. Next, it states, calculate how much profit he made. Calculate how much profit he made. Now, the figured profit made, what we have to do is we have to take the amount that was made and minus it with the cost. So it cost him $10 to purchase these 40 cans, but he made $15.75. And so that means that in order for us to determine the profit made, we have to subtract those two. And so we get $5.75, which means that his profit was $5.75. Next, it states that we have to express his profit as a percentage of his total cost price. Again, we have to express this profit as a percentage of his total cost price. Now, what is his profit? His profit. So basically, what we're going to do, here's the formula. We're going to take the profit, put it over the total price, multiply that by 100 because we want to get a percentage. So his profit is 5.75. The total price, that's the total cost price, right? The total cost price is going to be $10. And so 5.75 all over 10 multiplied by 100 over 1. We say 5.75 multiplied by 100, and that gives us 575. And we say 10 times 1, which gives us 10. Next, we divide. So we say 575 divided by 10, and that gives us $57.50. And so, I'm sorry, that gives us 57.5, and that's in terms of percentage because we're not doing money, we're doing percentage. So it gives us 57.5% or 57.50%, and that's that is his profit as a percentage of his total cost price, and that's the answer to this question.